Yes, there is a thing of you getting your green card in the United States if you've been here for 10 years. This is a common question that I get as an immigration lawyer, but let me explain exactly what it is and how one actually gets it. The way a person gets a green card by being here for 10 years is through something called cancellation of removal. You can only get a green card granted this way if you're in immigration court proceedings in front of an immigration judge. This means you cannot directly apply with the immigration office for a green card simply because you've been here for 10 years. In addition to only being able to get this in front of an immigration judge and proving you've been here 10 years, you have to demonstrate you're a person of good moral character and that your U.S. citizen or green card holding spouse, parent, and or children under the age of 21 will suffer extreme and exceptionally unusual hardship if you can't remain in the United States. Extreme and exceptionally unusual hardship is considered to be a very high burden. An immigration attorney can assess your case and determine whether or not you'd have sufficient evidence to meet this high burden of proof. Also, when it comes to proving good moral character, an immigration attorney would assess whether or not you have any criminal issues in your background or immigration violations that could impact your ability to show good moral character. If an attorney decides this is a good case for you, you can present your case in front of an immigration judge who will then decide if you deserve to be granted cancellation of removal. The granting of cancellation removal essentially means that you cannot be deported from the United States and you get a green card. This green card is only for you and it's not for any other family members that may be undocumented. In removal proceedings in front of an immigration judge, it's definitely important to get an immigration lawyer to represent you in your case, as well as assess if this is an option for you, particularly if you've been living in the United States for a long time. For more immigration news and information, feel free to follow us on Instagram and TikTok.